So, hi everyone, and Merry Christmas to everyone. I have finally got my second explosion box done, and this time I made the same explosion box like I have done with the paper from Basic Grey Curio. And this time I made it in Susan Winget's papers. This is called the Glad Tidings, and I just love her papers because they are so rich colors, and so I like it. But you want to know how it looks inside, so I will lift the top, and here it is. I put a Santa in the middle. He's loose, so you don't have to jiggle with him inside when you're looking at the different pockets. It's the same as the curio. I will show you some of the tags. This one you flip just like that. It looks like that. And these keys are from Making Memories, and quite old. And then the one with the pocket has the tag too, but I haven't embellished this one yet as much as I want to, and I didn't have the time to do it all the way because Susan Winget has a challenge where she wants to we crafters are showing her the different projects we're working with her things. She has so many. This is just one small bit. She has tyg, fabric, fabric again, and yes. But this is how this one works, and I will show you. Hopefully you can see. Can you see this one? I don't know which one I'm supposed. I feel this is thicker, so I'll show you this one, because in this I wanted every kind of tag to have this white photo papers, so it will be more visible how it will contain different sizes. This is almost 4 by 6, you say in English, 10 gånger 15 centimeters photo paper. And of course, if I folded it like this, I could put another here, but I think it's a little bit of a surprise to have it inside, so I think I will have it like this and put some more different embellishment on, a little bit like this girl, and put it. It will show very well if you take up the different kind of monster pattern. Yes. I know this, but when I'm talking on the video in English, it disappears everything in my head. But I have used the papers on and do some pictures like that, and it worked very well. So I will do something more like this, like that in later. This pocket here, this is the only one I have put an actual picture on, and it works like this, and you fold it out like this. And you see that there are very many photo opportunities in this, so it will hold quite a few. And then I have these house-shaped ones. When I make these, they will have to be open the wrong way. I mean, you open it like this usually, but you need to have this one inside. I wanted to have the red showing. I had to do like this. Yes?
Dra ner lite. Alltså, där du håller dig. Så.
I'm getting directions by my husband where to hold things. This is the inside, and it has this flap, so you can have a long photo, and like this, and you can have some journaling and so on. And of course you can have a bigger photo so that you can cut it like the house shape that it is. So that's that one, and these I will show you. I don't know, can you zoom? This is has the same, it's glad Tidings too, and it's a Cohen company. I will of course put the information in the bottom of the film. And I thought they were lovely to have it like this. And then this one is much more simpler because it only has two different sizes and no pattern to. You have to consider how it will fold and so on. That, and I'll show you these because I think this big one is pretty, and fold it up like this, and then I have a long photo there too, and two photos like that. And I mean, this one would be very nice to have cut like that, but the photos has it says the last thing. Yeah, you can only prepare as much as you can, and this one is also simple folded like this. Isn't it? It's so beautiful papers, and it's a great quality. I bought the paper pads, and it's always perfect thickness to do a project like this. And then I have this. I don't know. Is this a great? This one I haven't embellished either, and it has one, two. That's our daughter, and she has her. Oh, headphones on, so she's laughing out loud and doesn't know she's going to laugh for all the world. That is that one. And then I have this one, and that is also a beautiful bird. And it just has a simple fold like that. And that one I will be embellishment, and you can of course have photos on the both sides here too. That one, and then this, which is beautiful. Does it show that it's like not foil, but it's shiny on different sides? Well, it's it's shiny on different sides. It just opens like that. And the last here, this one I put a picture on the front, and then here is the Christmas tree. I don't know if you can put your photo over this. I think you have to leave it like that and have the tree maybe inside, and then you can journal something there too. That is the Christmas tree that is in this design series. Can you say like that? And then here I have the Santa, and he folds up like this, and you can have even on the back side I put. So you can really put many different photos in a box like this. Maybe you can cover several Christmases. I don't know. It depends how much of the relatives you're taking pictures of. Then I think I showed everything. The big size there, and so. And then I thought that I should show you that you can close this one by yourself. You see this with a bird? I have a side like here. This is for the other side, so you have to put the roof in your hand so that it will show like this. And then I simply snug around. Let's see. Show me that. Shoes. I don't think I ever have closed one more fibbly like this. But you put this house shaped, you just lay it in the bottom like that, and then you fold up the sides, and you will be careful to see the outsides inside the roof, and then I just push a finger like that, and then it will just glide on. So, and now I see I forgot the Santa, but I mean, he's coming in just a few days, and he's coming to Sweden a little bit sooner than like for USA. I know you have the 25. We have our Christmas presents and so on the 24th. I hope you have a great Christmas, everybody, and I want to thank Susan Winget for her great designs. I worked with her things before. She's done beautiful things. And this one, oh, I almost forgot. This has, I got some more embellishment here. Chipboard pieces, and I think I will incorporate them also, but the time is too narrow now. And also I want to tell you that I'm going to do a tutorial, a PDF file, so you can buy a tutorial and get everything step by step, how I'm thinking when I laying the papers and exactly how to put one together. And that I will make a new YouTube video on, so that no one should miss when it's coming. Okay, have a great time and love you all. Bye bye.